स्वागत है आपका एक नए वीडियो में। तो आज के वीडियो में हम लोग जानेंगे कि डिफाइन किस तरह से मैं कोई स्टाइल डिफाइन कर सकता हूँ एज़्योर डेवॉप्स के कार्ड्स में, उसी के बारे में जानेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन को। ये मेरा आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से मेरे को यहाँ पे एक बोर्ड में एक आइटम पड़ा हुआ है, ये फीचर्स पड़ा हुआ है। लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स गो टू स्टोरीज। आई ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड सम ऑफ द स्टोरीज, अभी मैंने क्रिएट करके रखा है। तो मैं क्या जाऊँगा, सेटिंग में जाऊँगा, सेटिंग में जाके एक गोल गोल बटन बनाया रहेगा। स्टाइल्स में जाऊंगा, स्टाइलिंग रूल पे जाऊंगा, यहाँ पे भी कुछ भी राम नाम लिख सकते हैं। लेट्स गिव अ मीनिंगफुल नेम, रूल, rule 1, let's give rule meat kind of stuff, whatever you can write it seriously. I have this card color, let's do not let's do a dark color. Let's give what you can say, like okay, metal style, let's give it this one, and let's give it gold. Okay. Now what I can do, I can give some, मतलब यहाँ पे कोई कंडीशन डाल सकता हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूँगा, any sort of condition you can provide है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे मैं जाऊँगा, कहीं पे भी कुछ पे भी डाल सकते हैं आप। I think have let's give story points equal to 2. Let's save and close it, and let's do one thing, open this user story and story points, let's give it as a 2. Let me save and close. Now you can see my color has been changed. So you can do different, you can change the colors from here. There are many conditions available, like if I go to styles, and I can create one more rule, like rule 2.0 kind of stuff, okay, rule 2.0. And I need a class color, like let's do a lighter color. This is the color I have. I will give it a bold, and here I will write something like that. I have something kind of stuff. State also I can give it. State equal to, I think this was the resolved state. Okay, I have these much of state. I think removed was the state. What is, okay, I have this resolve one. I think resolve one, this shade, I think this shade is not available, I think so. Let me click on this, and I have, I think resolve is also should be there, resolved. I don't think so. Okay, let's do it resolved. I think it's spelling mistake. I think it's coming to resolve. It's belonging to resolved one, but my name is different. That's the reason it's coming at this one, because I changed the name. I think I changed the name. I changed the name. It was an active, and this was resolved. So I did change the name. So if you are changing the name in this tag, like it might be going to the it might be going to the same rule name. Okay, resolve it checking. So how you can check like whether this is correct or no? You have to go to this column once. I think I click on the resolved one. So it user story. This is the state. This of this column maps to which state. Here it's resolved. So that's the reason, like it was showing that it was coming in active also, like other state. So you can, if you are changing the name, you have to see like this column, whatever the column is there, it is under which section, user story under which section, maps to resolved one. Okay, if you have the active one, should be resolved to active. Let's show you an active one also. This is an active I have. This is belongs to active, because I showed you this, because this styles depends upon the rules that you on the where it belongs to. By the way, I can write another rules as well. Let's give it another rule name. Let's give it rule name only. I am not sure. You can add different rules here, like half this title equal to, or you can give a tags equal to, tags contain anything, like let's do something. Okay, let's do something, anything, tags like meat. Let me save this, and let me show you what will happen. Khurafati. Let me see what color will happen, because I added meat as well as it is belonging to. So you can see this color is showing. It is overriding whatever rules that you have given here. It will be overridden. And now what's happening, like this is coming. Why this is coming? It should come as rule meat, because rule meat there, here we have added like story points equal to 2, but I think like whichever comes first will come here, I think so. That's the reason I think. Let's change this rule name to Sayuri. Let's give it Sayuri. Let me check now what will happen. Like I think now only first is coming. Like I don't know. There is a priority like this is coming here. Okay, let me drop it down. Now let me see. So you can understand very well if you are adding multiple styles are belonging. Whichever comes first will be taken care. It will not be overridden. As Sayuri, I drop it to down. So now this will work. New rule means Sayuri will not work. So in this video, we covered upon how we can work with the different styles. So your styles you can choose as per your your whatever you can select. Whatever you feel like, you can delete it or you can clone it. Let's delete one of the style. I deleted one of the style, and this is how like it works. So this was a small video like we covered upon something in styles. In next video we will covering on something else. So till then.